Welcome back to another video, guys. This is part 4 of the DA Integra restoration. Today it's going to be all about wrapping the driver's side. If you guys haven't seen the previous videos, I highly suggest that. As you can see in this video, the side of the car, I've sanded down pretty much the whole thing, just like the other side, just to make sure there's nothing weird underneath the wrap. As you can tell, I just got right into it, wrapping my favorite part, which is the door. Also the easiest thing to wrap, that's why it's my favorite. And yeah, just enjoy the little time lapse. So, I don't know if I said this in another video, but I wasn't a huge fan of this purple when I first put it on the car. But after I put these trim pieces on, the contrast between the black and the purple is just crazy to me. So for this back piece, I did end up using a scrap piece from the other side of the door. That's why it looks all wonky from the cut. But I figure I use as much wrap as I can, and then I'll have like fresh stuff still in the box if I do have extras. It did end up being like slightly too small, but I think I pulled it off real well with the heat. I know I definitely said this in the last video, but wrapping the side of the car is definitely like the riskiest thing, because I like to use just all one piece just so there's no seams or anything. But like if you mess up, then there's not enough wrap and you have to order more, or You just gotta make a seam, so it's definitely my least favorite, right next to doing the bumpers. I've definitely been getting so much better at like cutting everything out. I remember like when I first started wrapping stuff, that was the biggest thing I struggle with, just because I have like really shaky hands for some reason. But pretty much the best thing you could do is just keep practicing. It gets better, it gets easier. So I'm gonna leave it at this for like being wrapped so far, just because I want to get started with like the front end stuff, and honestly I'm tired of wrapping. But I only have the 2 bumpers, the hood, and both the fenders left, and then it should be done. I've already been working a bunch on the interior, getting all that straightened out. I've ordered a bunch of parts that were missing, so it should be like 100% complete. The only thing that's gonna bug me is the crack on the sunroof. I was gonna wrap these, but like I said earlier, I think the black on the purple definitely looks really good. I also did the headliner in this like suede material, as well as like the little piece on the sunroof. If you guys want a little tutorial on that, just let me know in the comments and I can make a whole other video doing another car. But yeah, that's gonna be all for this video, guys. If you haven't already, hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.
You ain't got my money on my